Yo, what is up, everyone? Today is August 12th. Caught a super clean long setup today. So let's break down exactly why I ended up entering into this trade. So prior to market open, we had CPI news data, so red folder news data come out. That came out super bullish, as we can see in this bullish candle right here. And then going into New York session open here, we had all-time highs up here. All-time highs was my draw on liquidity. So I wanted to see price sweep out this low or take some sort of sell side liquidity and then get a reaction back to the upside here. That's exactly what we ended up doing. So off New York session open, we had a move to the downside. We swept out this internal 1 minute low here. We were also reacting out of this bullish 15-minute gap. And we also tapped into equilibrium of the 15-minute range. So all of those super clean confluences, and then we got a really good reaction back to the upside and had a 5-minute inverse. So jump to the 5-minute time frame here. We can see we come down, we tap into this bullish gap, we're reacting out of equilibrium as well. And then look at this momentum here, super clean momentum. We inverse this 5-minute bearish gap with great speed, great momentum. I enter off of the inverse, stop loss obviously right below the 5-minute gap, and I am targeting all-time highs up here. Went break even at this internal high right here, and then I'll go back to the 1 minute. So we can see the price was perfectly respecting all of our bullish PD arrays here. So after this big move up, we have a little retrace back down. We respect the bullish 1-minute gap, created an order block right here, move higher, created another order block. We keep moving higher. And then all out of nowhere, Trump decides he's going to drop a tweet regarding Jerome Powell and lowering the interest rates. And we have a 55-point candle that just shits to the downside and yeah, fucks up the whole entire trade. This was a super clean setup. This trade literally will play out 9 out of 10 times, maybe even 10 out of 10 times. But of course, today, Trump tweets, ruins the trade, and we end up moving back to the downside. And then later in the day, my draw on liquidity, which was all-time highs, ends up getting taken out, and the market just moves higher and higher. So bias was correct, but some things that were completely out of my control took place. So literally, it is what it is. It's just another day in the market, and we'll bounce back tomorrow. So the only thing you can control is taking clean setups. That's exactly what we did here. Can't be mad about a trade like this. It just literally is what it is. So gonna be back tomorrow. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.